Hello YouTubers, this is Cat11. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. In this video, I went ahead and tested out the Legion Precision Weapons Systems comp for the Canik line. I just wanted to see its performance and let you guys know how it performs. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it that thumbs up. And again, hope you enjoy the video. What I want to accomplish is trying to get some footage on the Legion Precision comp, over here, Legion Precision Weapon Systems comp, and I got it for a good price. It was listed for $99, and I made an offer since it was on eBay. Made an offer, did it for $79, and I got it for $79. So I'm pretty happy about that. You know, I've got the Griffin Armament comp, and I like that. I've got the Disruptive Defense. I definitely like that one. That one's probably like my top one. I tried the 45 Blast. I heard that's pretty good for the Canik line as well. But I want to try this one. Legion Precision. I can't get the name right. Legion Precision Weapons Systems comp for Canik. And actually this one was listed for the TP9 Elite, and I installed it on the Elite. It looks nice, but I don't want it on the Elite. I want it on the Rival. There it is. So we'll go ahead, let me adjust this camera here.
I was hoping you weren't going to do some Zen shooting into the backdrop.
No. No, that would be uninformative. Splatter burst. Always. Again, this is the Legion Precision Weapons Systems comp for the Canik. See how it goes. I think it was pushing me back a little bit, but I think it works pretty good.
I would say so.
Bring it in. Again, this is, there it is.
Okay.
Alright, so I just did 10 rounds at 7 yards. Again, this is 7 yards. And so that's not bad for 7 yards, right? I'm liking this comp. Definitely, I'm liking this comp. So I'm thinking go for headshots. 10 yards. This Legion Precision's Weapons Systems comp. That's a long ass word. That's a long ass title for a comp. I like Disruptive Defense. They gotta come up with a new name for it. That's all I'm gonna say. But I'm definitely liking it. The lines on this comp, I think it matches pretty well with the Rival. Drop that. It matches pretty well. Once they get the threaded barrel for the SFX Rival, I'll be happy. So I'm gonna do another 10 rounds. Again, this is for, boom, the noggin. The noggin. Not bad. 10 yards. 10 yards, not bad. Not bad at all. Flip it. Bring it in. I'll be shooting 9 on the left target. Shooting 9 on the left target. Not bad. I have to say, I think this comp works. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so I'm going to be taking 5 shots. I'm going to be going 15 yards. This is past my comfort zone. I want to see what this comp can do. 15 yards. I hit my target. And actually, I think I got right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's pretty impressive. Oh. I had 1 stray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So that concludes, guys. There's nothing else to say about this other than get one of these. Hope I showed you something new. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe and all that. I never say that, but because I don't. Just go ahead if you want to, please. I enjoy it. If not, it's all right. I'm just making videos. Peace out. Concludes my video on the Legion Precision Weapon Systems. That's a long name, but it's the LPWS comp for the Canik, and I think it performed really good. Excuse me. Yeah, so it performed really well. I like the way that I'm still trying to learn my terminology in these firearms. I've been doing it for 2 years, but there was a lot less felt recoil, is what they say, and the muzzle rise was, I don't know. I gotta see the video, but it brought me back on my point of aim, right? POA, my point of aim. It just came back with that red dot. It just came back really quick. So I enjoyed it. That for the price, $79. That's what I got it for. I know it's going for $99, but I like it, man. Nothing bad about that LPWS comp. So anyways, I hope you liked what you saw. All right, you guys have a nice day, and until next time.